Welcome back to our channel. My name is Dario from the Tankam Team, and today I'm going to make some keto brownies. Did you know that the normal brownies for one brownie have 60 grams of net carb, while the ketogenic brownies for 6 brownie have 13 grams of net carb? If you do some quick math, that means close to 2 grams of net carb for one brownie. That's insane. This great dessert, you can add it into your ketogenic journey. Now, let's jump right into the lovely and healthy recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification so you don't even miss a video from the Tankam team, and let's see us in the next video.